begin the journey. Hara 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 Mahadev. We are going from the landing point Gypsy Bay. Here is the new YouTuber in the town, Dr. Shankar Kudri. He's on an adventurous trip to Manali, Solang and Kasol. Let's begin the journey. Hara 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 Mahadev. Now we have come to Kasol and we are moving towards our tent, which is a riverside tent. This is actually a river. We are moving alongside the river, which is a tiny road here. It's completely dark. We are moving with the help of a mobile torch. This is so adventurous and it is too dangerous also. Finally we reached our tent. This is our tent along the riverside. This is my tent. Let me get inside and let me see how wow. This is so amazing. We have friends who have come here earlier. Hello.
Hi doc. Hello doctor. You have so many followers right now, you know?
Yeah.
We got a female crush for you.
Oh, come on.
We got a special on you so much.
It was awesome. It was awesome.
No, how was the paragliding?
Paragliding was awesome.
So can I...
Dining here, it's so awesome. We are sitting down. It's a tiny, with small tables. Good morning everyone. Let us see outside the tent. Oh, this is all snow. Yesterday we were sitting here, there was nothing, and just see. Oh, this is just heaven. Completely covered with snow. And yesterday night there was heavy snowfall. It's 8 in the morning and you can see the snowfall here. And it's freezing cold. Its temperature is -3 degrees Celsius. And we are sitting here to get some heat. How's the cold, Asif?
It's too cold.
Have you seen the snowfall?
Right now.
Okay.
I was shivering all the night because of cold.
Yeah, even I was.
Sleep, man.
Look at the river and inside this. Right now we are in the Parvati river bank and this is the snowfall. Yesterday it has occurred here. It's just awesome. I had never seen the snowfall before in my life. This is the first time I'm seeing the snowfall here. It's an awesome experience to be here in this season. This is the right time we have come here. Yesterday night there was nothing here. There was no snowfall, but since yesterday night there was a heavy snowfall. There is another guy here walking here. Let me ask his experience. Hello, buddy.
Hi, buddy.
So you are on a solo trip or in a group?
मैं solo trip में हूँ इधर पे. I'm doing
Yeah. How is the experience here?
Awesome. You know, awesome. If you're traveling with friends, then it's a different kind of experience. And if you're traveling solo, that's a different kind of experience. So, like in the world, you cannot compare Amitabh Bachchan with Shah Rukh Khan.
Yeah, that's
they
right.
both have different flavors. So solo trip have different flavors. If you're coming with friends, they have different flavors.
Yeah.
But each one of them has its own specialty.
There is no pros and cons. Everything, like, everything has a different
in life.
experience.
There is no right, no wrong. That I have understood in my life, and there is no pros and no cons. Every cons will be your pros, and every pros will be your cons. It's totally it will be totally depend on your attitude, how you're gonna take that.
Yeah.
So,
Thank you.
मैं उनका channel में बोला actually.
If you're coming, be prepared. Get the boots, waterproof boots. Otherwise, it will be difficult here. It will get wet and you will get cold. You can see the water. This is the Parati River, and you can. It is so crystal clear. The water is a kind of a blue, and you can see the river bed here. You can touch the water. Actually, it's too cold, but I'm not able to feel anything as even my hands are too cold. I've lost the sensations of my hand. Oh my god, this river is just pulling me. I feel like just getting into this water, but it's freezing cold. It is advisable to get as many sweaters and jerkins as possible, and even thermals. I'm wearing the jerkin. Inside this there is a sweater, and there is a t-shirt or one thermal. The second thermal, inside that there is a banyan, and inside it's me. We are done with the tent now. Now we are going to Manikaran. See here, our friend Tanishq. He has made some jugaad. He had this suitcase. Now he has converted it into backpack. So,
all the
Tanishq,
brothers are
from where do you get these such ideas?
No, I
So since
this
birth
is,
or
this
your
is not
acquired?
my idea. This was Asif's idea.
Okay. So cool.
हमसे ना हो पाएगा ये सब.
So Tanishq, how was your experience in the tent?
It was amazing. ठंड बहुत थी. बस बढ़िया.
रात में नींद आया?
बड़े अच्छे से.
ನಾವು ಈಗ ಕಸೋಲ್ ಟೆಂಟ್ ಇಂತ್ರ ಮಣಿಕರನ್ ಹೊಂಟೀವಿ. ಇಲ್ಲಿ ಭಯಂಕರ ಹಿಮ ಬಿದ್ದೈತಿ. ಇದು ತಳಕ್ಕೆ ಹರಿಯಾಕ ಕುಂತಿರೋದು ಪಾರ್ವತಿ ನದಿ. ಯಾವ ಸರಿ ಭಯಂಕರ ತಂಡ ಐತಿ ಇಲ್ಲೇ. ಇಲ್ಲಿ ನೋಡಿ ಹೊಗೆ ಬರತೈತಿ. ನೋಡ್ರಿ ಈಗ ಮಣಿಕರನ್ಗೆ ಹೋಗೋಣ ಅಂತ. ದಿಸ್ ಇಸ್ ಮಣಿಕರನ್. You can see so far. The specialty of this place is the hot springs. You can see some people are taking bath in the hot tub there. This is the natural hot water which flows here. You can see the men are taking bath there. So cool. No, it's actually hot. This is the hot water spring in Manikaran. The water is so warm. You can easily take bath in this freezing cold environment here. It's too hot water. Let me take a dip.
I don't know where I am, I don't know where you take me, I don't know where you take me. I just follow your trail and I'm losing your mind and I'm losing your head. Let me escape from this love, cause I'm a prisoner.
We are done with the Manikaran temple. Now we are going to have lunch in the cafe. It's on top of this hill. Oh, my friend is showing the name. It's Jim Morrison Cafe. Okay, we are going to now Jim Morrison Cafe. It's on top of this hill, in the midst of these jungles.
It's totally worth it.
Yeah, have you seen that?
Yeah, I've been there.
Okay, how is it? What kind of a cafe is this?
It's a proper. You have to sit down
Okay.
on the
nice.
what do we say? Not cushions. Gaddo
Bed. Mattress.
mattresses
Okay.
on the ground.
Oh, it's so interesting. Yeah. And for that we have to travel this way, which is not even. It's a kind of a trek for a lunch. And everybody are tired today. You can see this is the 4th day of our journey, but it's still, even if you are tired, it will be worth it. This is an experience. It's a lifetime experience. This tiredness will be remembered for a long time. You can see the thick jungles here. What kind of a trees are these? Do you have any idea?
Yeah, these trees have green leaves and brown trunks.
Wow. This,
That's the best I can do for you.
yeah, this answer needs an award. Yeah. Anybody knows which trees are these? Can comment
in the-
comment section.
Yeah.
And yeah, we can see the cafe here. Woo! We found it. Finally, we have entered the cafe here. Look at this. And this cafe is an isolated place in the isolated place in the jungle. We have to sit here, so we have to leave our shoes.
I don't know where I am, I don't know where you take me, I don't know where you take me. I just follow your trail and I'm losing your mind and I'm losing your head. Let me escape from this love, cause I'm a prisoner. I just want to look my way and never back to you.
This is Kasol market. We have come to the Kasol market. The main attraction here is the woolen works and sweaters they sell here, and the other things are you can see the Shillong Bong and the spare parts, accessories of those things. You can see here. Everything is available of different style, different material. And as you can see here, one shop there are a lot of attractive keychains and lockets. Let me see. Anything is there to buy. There were a lot of attractive lockets, and I brought this. I bought these keychains for my co-PGs and dear seniors. Hope they do like it. Done with Kasol shopping and sightseeing, everything. We have reached our tempo traveler to leave to Delhi, but the driver is angry now. He went to complain to the
I
organizer
don't
of
know
this
where I
trip.
am, I don't know where you take me, I don't know where you take me. I just follow your trail and I'm losing your mind and I'm losing your head. Let me escape from this.
Hey, back to Delhi, we have reached this dhaba for breakfast, and one of our friends have want to eat. yeah, banayenge. Want to eat sugarcane, so he's going to the sugarcane fields here. Let us enter. We have taken the permission of the farm owner. हो गया? बढ़िया. आराम से. Somebody hold the hand there. जूस आ जाएगा. हाथ रखो इधर.
नहीं करना है तुम लोग मेरी मेहनत वेस्ट कर दी. One hell of a trip it was. Everything went well, and let us not forget to thank the Almighty who has given us this chance for this new adventurous life. So let's everybody thank him. Hara 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 Mahadev.
Finally, we have reached Delhi. Going solo was a new experience. Going solo makes you open for everything, to speak to new people, to make friendship, to adjust. You'll be okay if you do not get the expected, and you'll be surprised if you get a little more. That's the fun about the solo trip. Finally, it was a successful trip. Let's wait for the next trip and see you all again.